Hi everyone, I'm Megan. I recently graduated from Boston University with a degree in neuroscience, and now I'm looking to apply to physician assistant school. And so I've been taking a bunch of courses online to kind of increase my GPA as I send in my applications. And I decided to take astronomy because I don't really know anything about it. There have been times where I've been, walking my dog at night with my mom and we look up and try to see some stars, but we honestly have no idea what we're looking at. So I think this could teach me a lot in that way. I like being athletic, so I spend a lot of time outdoors. I run, I used to play water polo, and I do some triathlons. Lastly, I do think that it is possible for aliens to exist on our planet. I don't think we've ever encountered any yet. But I do think it's possible that there's another planet that can support life that's out there. Yeah, nice to meet you all.